Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Nobu Hotel. My name is Risa Cabrobias. How may I help you? Yes, ma'am. Let me assist you to the front desk. May I carry your luggage? Ma'am, let me escort you to your room. Before we arrive to your room, allow me to explain our hotel facilities. Breakfast will be available at the restaurant located at lobby level from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. We also have cafe and business center at lobby level. Our meeting rooms are located on the second floor. The swimming pool, spa, and fitness center are on the fifth floor. Let us know if you need to make reservation to our hotel facilities. We are in front of your room, ma'am. May I have your key to open the door for you? Ma'am, allow me to explain the room facilities. You have safety deposit box inside the wardrobe. You have also a mini bar. If you want to consume snack, drinks, don't forget to fill the mini bar list. This is the remote control for your television channel list. You have a view to the city, and this is your bedside lamp. Telephone to make ongoing. Press 0 for operation assistant, 1 for housekeeping, 2 for laundry, and 3 for room service. This is your air conditioner. And lastly, this is your bathroom. For the water tap, red button. For the hot water, ma'am, may I unpack your clothes and place it in the cabinet? I am done unpacking your clothes, ma'am. Is there anything else I can do to assist you? Good morning, ma'am. I'm here to pack your clothes. I am done unpacking your clothes, ma'am. This way to the parking lot, ma'am. Thank you for staying with us, ma'am. We look forward to seeing you to your next check-in. Have a good day.